Its reforms has begun registering businesses and individuals all over again to ensure credible data. The move, which forms part of the IT reforms of the authority through the Total Revenue Integrated Processing System (TRIPS, is to register all individuals and companies online. The GRA says TRIPS is synced to details at the Registrar General's Department to bring more businesses into the tax net.
We're doing what we call the fast track. We're collecting companies or the businesses within our environment and going ahead and issuing the TINs, following which they have to then go and do their civic obligation at Registrar General to register for the TIN. When you register for the TIN, outside of being validated as individuals, the companies that are registered by Registrar Generals, once you register there, the information is sent to the TRIP system, which then issues a TIN for the corporate entity. In addition, that same TIN is sent from the TRIP system to the customs system. That's the Ghana Customs Management System. Now, because they register and it comes directly to us, we then have a view, or at least we know that new businesses have registered, which gives us an opportunity to then talk to them and bring them into the tax net.
The authority explains there are dire consequences for businesses who fail to register their employees for new tax identification numbers.
All employers are supposed to register their employees. The good news is that GRA right now is using the online portal registration. We want to test it first, make sure everything is fine. We're using it to register our employees. A number of companies have filled the forms to register the employees. Definitely that's a longer process because we have to key in the information, verify, and then issue the TIN. Now, in September, the online portal is going to be ready for the public. So now employers could get their employees to go online and then register them. What is definitely going to happen long term is if you don't get your employees registered, it may have an impact on you requesting things from GRA. For example, if you haven't registered all your employees to get a TIN, if you come to us and you're looking for tax clearance certificate or some other tool, we may not be able to give it to you.
The new system is meanwhile being piloted at the large taxpayer office at Spintex in Accra, but will be eventually rolled out across the country.